Hello guys, let's solve another Kata from 8K by you. First read the instructions and make a function that will return a greeting statement that uses input. Your program should return this statement and put the given name here. Okay, we should return the string. It's a string and use braces. Okay, and after the string we should use the syntax format and put the name here, and it replaces the brace with this word. Okay, that's it. There is a problem, but I think how are you doing today? Hello. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's right. And okay, good luck.